Hello, my friend. Welcome. I have a 10-minute deep core flow for you today. My name is Michaela. This 10 minutes of a deep core flow is actually inspired by, in a lot of the fiery flow practices or the power yoga practices that I teach, I always focus on a lot of core at the beginning because it's very smart to just get those muscles that wrap around your spine fired up and protected so that when you come up to your standing sequences, everything is just ready and turned on. And so this is 10 minutes of specific only core work, center core, obliques, and of course it wraps all the way around. So you can do this whenever you want to. You can do this before a flow. It's really fun. It's going to be challenging, but let's just see where it goes. Okay? Start by lying on your back, please. You can meet me here with your feet grounded about hips distance and your arms down alongside your body. Close your eyes just for a moment. Allow yourself to get settled in. Take a big inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, I want you to draw your rib cage in, press your back into the mat. Good, feel this imprint of your spine down into the mat. Good, now as you inhale, allow your rib cage to expand. You might feel like the middle of your back lifts up a bit. And as you exhale, draw it in, rib cage in, belly to the spine, back is pressing down into the mat. Let's do two more just like that because your breath is so important. Inhale to expand. Exhale, slight tuck of the tailbone, rib cage hugs in. Good, one more. Inhale. And exhale. Good, now keep that engagement. Interlace your fingers at the back of your head, elbows stay nice and wide. Take another inhale. And as you exhale, lift head, lift shoulders up off the mat. Now, can you keep your elbows wide, let your head be heavy into your hands, and feel like your thumbs can actually give your head a little bit of a pull so you're lengthening out through the neck. Okay, and that also just allows your head to be a bit heavier. Hold it here. Exhale, lift your head, lift your shoulders up a little bit higher. Good, now inhale to lower. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. Shh, when you lift. Inhale to lower. That shush breath gets your transverse abdominal wall activated a little bit more. So you move into those deeper layers, right? Exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale. You've got three more. Breathe in. Exhale. On this last one, you're going to hold it up right here. Hold it here. 10 little pulses. Lift. Exhale. Exhale. Breathe. Shh. Shh. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower all the way down. Breathe in. Exhale, lift head, lift shoulders, and float your right knee up to stack over your hip. Good. Then inhale to lower, alternating sides. Exhale, lift left leg up. Good. Inhale to lower. Exhale to lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Make sure your knee is just coming to stack over top of your hip. Those elbows stay wide the whole time. Try not to lift up through your head, right? So you're lifting up right through that chest, right into that center core, like your rib cage is drawing in every single time. Good, go right and down, feeling it already. Left and down, one more each side, and then you'll have both legs up to a tabletop position. Right now, float the legs up to tabletop, head and shoulders are lifted. Slow twist to the right side, left leg long. Good, back to center, we'll stay on the right side. Twist to the right side, left leg long. And back to center, the right knee stays over your hip the whole time. Twist. And back to center. Find that rotation through your center core. And back to center. Exhale to twist. And back to center. 5 more. Exhale, twist. And back to center. You've got it for 4. And inhale. Exhale, 3. And inhale. Exhale, 2. And inhale, hold the twist on 1, hold it here. Reach your left arm over to the right side. Little lifts, little pulses up. And reach for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Then we're going to go right to the left side. 2, 1. Come through center. Twist to the left side, right leg long. Oh my goodness, back to center. And twist to the left side, reach. Inhale to center. Exhale, keep those elbows wide. Inhale, center. Think right ribs are moving over to that left hip, yeah? Back to center. And twist. Good, we've got 5 more. And reach with the right foot. And back to center. Exhale, and inhale, 3 more. Exhale, twist. And back to center. 2 more. Reach. I'm right here with you. Hold this one here. Reach the right arm over to the left side and pulse up for 10. Reach. 8, 7. Exhale. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Lift the legs up towards the ceiling. Your hands are still behind your head. Take a big breath in. Exhale, lift head, lift shoulders up. Hold it here. Inhale. Exhale, lift head, lift shoulders up. Another more. Good. Another inch. Hold it here. Can you float or lift your hips up just another inch? And exhale, lower head, lower shoulders down. Keep your legs up. Breathe in. Exhale, lift head, lift shoulders up. Inhale. Exhale, lift another inch. Hold it here. Can you lift your hips up just another inch? Hold for 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, lower head and shoulders down. 1 more. Breathe in. Exhale, lift head, lift shoulders up. Breathe in. And exhale, lift up another inch. Can you lift your low back up? Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Now bend your knees. Hold on behind your knees. Start to rock forward and back along your spine. You're doing fantastic. Good. On this next one, you're going to hold Navasana boat pose. So you're right on those sits bones, long through the spine. Now right here, you might be like, I feel really stable because you just did about 5 minutes on your back of your core. But if you feel this in your hip flexors, open the knees out to a diamond shape. Reach the arms forward. Good, hold it here. Draw the low belly in towards your spine. Reach the arms up 1 inch, hold. Reach them up another inch, hold. Oh yes, embrace the shake. Reach them up another inch, hold. Good. 1 more inch. Hold. Biceps right in line with the ears. Shaking, shaking. Breathe into it. And come forward and through to a tabletop position. I make a lot of noises when I'm moving. You should too. It's really fun. Come to that tabletop. Spread through your fingers. Tuck the toes. Hover the knees off of the mat so you've got that hovered tabletop position. Hips are right in line with your ribs. Chest is open. Step your right leg back and then your left, so you're in a high plank. Now the reverse. Right knee in, left knee in, hovered tabletop. Good, a little quicker. Right leg back, left leg back. Right knee in, left knee in. Back, back, in. So the leg should feel quite light through this movement. Good, scooping those low abs up and in. Chest stays open. Your upper body is supporting this, but your core is awake and it's working to keep those hips in line the whole time. Good, let's do 3 more. In, back, back. This is 2. And last one. You're gonna hold your high plank, hold it right here, shoulders right away from your ears, hugging that rib cage in. Hold for 3, for 2, for 1. Now come down onto your forearms. You've got a forearm plank. Elbows are underneath of your shoulders. Walk your feet out so they're hips distance. Toes are tucked. Drop your hips over to the right side, but don't let them touch the floor. And then lift the hips up through center and over to the left side. Slower than you're used to, okay? Find that control. Lift up through center, round the spine a little bit. Drop them to the right side. Good, lift up through center, shake along the way, over to the left side. Yeah, move at this pace. Good stuff. Heels drop, squeeze, and over to the left side. We've got 3 more each side. Can you hear that shake? Yeah? That's your body getting stronger, not weaker, okay? Good, you got 2 more on each side. Squeeze and lift, over to the left. Last one, squeeze and lift to the right. Last one to the left side. Good, back to center. Hold your forearm plank. You've got this. Make sure you're breathing. Your right knee is gonna cross over towards that left tricep and then step it back. Left knee to right tricep and step it back. Good, right knee, find that twist and back. Left knee and back. One more each side. Right knee and back, and left knee and back. Press up to your high plank. Lift your hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Oh, close your eyes. Take a full breath in. And a big breath out. Lift up your heels, ripple forward and through to a high plank. Final push. We're going to do some mountain climbers. You can either bring the knees in straight or you can find a little twist. Okay, you ready? I'm going to count you down from 3, and you're going to keep this nice and quick. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. This is where you find that final push. You got it. Make sure you're breathing. Chest stays open. Grip down into your knuckles. Make sure those hips don't drop. You've got 10. Give me 9. Stay with it. 8. You've got 7. Last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down to the knees. Take the hips back to the heels, child's pose, forehead down. Oh, full breath in, and a big breath out. Amazing job. Come up to a seat, roll the shoulders up towards your ears, and back down your spine. Arms reach up overhead, and take a cactus shape with the arms. Amazing, so good. Holy Hannah. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna have to do that one again. I liked it. I'll see you next time. Thank you.